welcome to part 2. I'm just gonna clean the motor here. That looks a little better. I'll do the other side. I'll remove the exhaust here. So I did a compression check on it. It was very low, and it did backfire through here, so I suspect the intake valves are leaking. Put the top dead center here, but I took these plugs out here. So I'm gonna put it to the mark, which is right there. So I'll put this here. I'm gonna turn the crankshaft a little bit this way. So I'm sure I put air in here is gonna, even though it's top dead center, you gotta be perfectly dead on so the piston won't go down. So I'm gonna back it off this way so this will stop it from going backwards. So I'm gonna put 25 PSI. I'm gonna put this on here, put it here, see if I hear the air. Nope. Nope. I'm gonna open up the throttle and I'm gonna stick it in the intake here. I feel a little bit of air come out of this one. So what I'm gonna check the valve. And I got no movement here at all. I'm gonna have to back off that valve. So the intake's supposed to be 2 thou or 0.05 millimeter. The exhaust is 3 thou or 0.08 millimeter. I'm just gonna slack this off here. My feeler gauge here. Tighten this up here to the headset. Just so it drags just a little bit. Yep, good. Yeah, I feel a little bit of play there. Good. I put the air. I just put the air back on and open up the throttle. Don't feel anything there. Put the cap back on here. All right, take this off. This on here. On here. All right, I put a little bit of oil to help with the compression. Let's see if it'll start. Yeah, that sounded pretty good. Doesn't smoke. I'm gonna put the muffler on and go for a spin. but that's it. Works good. The clutch slips a little bit, the cable a little too tight. I'm gonna back that off a little bit. Anyway, this is probably as far I'm gonna go with this because it needs a lot of money to put it back to stock, and these don't go for big money. I think that you can buy these for $1,200 to $1,500, and I gotta sink in probably another $800 in this to make it look good. So anyway, you can subscribe to my channel, click below, smash that thumbs up button. Thank you for watching.